Alrighty, I'm Roger Renica from Aquera. With me is Craig Glogauer, and we're going to talk a little bit about the Aquera platform today. So we are an identity integration platform specifically built to handle use cases like HR provisioning, right? We are a partner with ADP, with 50 other HR platforms. So that's an inbound provisioning use case. We also do outbound provisioning use cases. We have some very specific and complicated examples like provisioning to AS400, for example. But we also do other things, right? And this is what Craig's for. We do file operations management, which is how to augment IGA platforms like SailPoint and Saviynt and Okta's identity governance platforms. But I'll hand it over to Craig to talk a little bit more about that.
Yeah, so file operations really takes disconnected applications, usually collected by files, and helps automate that. So it gives you a central dashboard, a central way for you to notify and collect the data, but also do error handling and validations as part of that. It also can do logging for auditing purposes, so the whole chain of custody of how did the data get into your IGA solution when it was a file, who gave it to you, when they gave it to you, how they generated that. We help not just collect the data from the file and then and bring it into the solution, but they can also upload the evidence of how they generated that file, so then pass it to us to do that validity checks and then upload it to an IGA solution like the SailPoint and the Saviynt. It's really great because it has a dashboard not just for the uploader, but also for the identity team and also for auditors. So it really puts the level of responsibility where it needs to be, so the identity team's not doing any more than they need to do, but also audit can look at things and see, okay, this is what the application team did or the source provider did, and also here's how the identity team and their solutions process that data. So it's really great platform that we have, and again, it complements the solutions like SailPoint and Saviynt, where they can collect files with just at a file share level, but they're not managing it, how it comes in, and notifications, the escalations, so that data can stay fresh and used for reports, access reviews, access requests, role analysis, so you can enhance your role program. So it's really bringing these disconnected apps where people want to forget about it because it's not as flashy as the automated connectors end to end, and now brings these disconnected apps to compete with the data management of collecting data from AD. Now you can collect the data from them just like AD and now use it into a solution. So it's really a great platform, and really love to talk to more people that have this problem.